welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's world. And I know people, don't go nowhere yet. Trust me, you don't want to sleep on this one. Now this is an everyday watch face, a dress down watch face. Yes, a work week watch face, a watch face that you can flex in, something new, something different, something fresh, right? And on top of it all, this one is free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. Now what I like about this watch face is that it gives you a blend of both worlds, analog and digital. In the AOD mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look, minus the floating second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch to the left. It's not a bad look at all. The 10 is going to represent that hour hand, right? But it's going to be in digital. And then you got your minute hand right there. This is not a bad look for an everyday watch face. Again, don't sleep on it. Go download it, add it to your list, pull it out when it's needed. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're having the greatest day ever. And I'm going to see you all at the next video. But before I go, make sure you hit the like button on the way out and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next one. Take care.